The great things to come. Zimbabwe shall be a nation of plenty. Zimbabwe shall be taken to another level, the next level of leadership, excellence, and government integrity. Sanapinda mashoko akuyataurwa panapa naDonoso Nchavisa panguva yatiri kuona kuti aiwa leadership nechaos pazviri kuroka aiwa the regime and the ruling party. Now aiwa akuwana an opportunity yekuya achichallenja vakomana ve the regime. Lori kusubscribe like button on the bell icon. Pamwana tiri kuona the economic crisis ne every sector government panguva ino yakadhakwa. Donoso Nchavisa mudanyora achiti Zimbabwe is truly capable of achieving phenomenal growth, encyclopedic prosperity, and unprecedented success under a leadership that respects and values people upon the love and fear of God. Zimbabwe needs leaders who see governance as both a service and a sacred duty to serve God's people, to enhance integrity, progress, and prosperity to a nation. Zimbabwe shall be known for good governance, exemplary fantastic facilities, values, rights, and the rule of law. We will set an example in everything. Zimbabwe shall have first-class infrastructure. We will be in the world's class of Europe, Japan, China, and the US in infrastructure standards. We shall be renowned for excellence in education. We shall be global learning center and model world education hub. We shall be a nation of politeness and care. We will take care of our pensioners, elderly, and war veterans with the seamless social safety nets. Zimbabwe shall a healing nation and treatment center known for global cancer treatment centers. Zimbabwe shall be made in agriculture. The best beef, the great timber, the best products shall be made and exported from Zimbabwe. We will be a nation of hospitality. Tourism will be boom. Visitors will love and like us more. Visit our country more. We shall obey, love, and fear our God. We shall worship and praise Him. Our God shall be the God of Zimbabwe. May this vision inspire hope. I see a brighter future for all and for everyone. Every blessing to you all. Keep the faith in God's time, forever and always. Donoso Nchavisa. Tomasvika mudai tongopana pana Donoso Nchavisa achiti aiwa chaos iri kuitika mu the ruling party. Aiwa katongova ngoma kanyangorira zvaukaoda kuparuka. Panapa this is not leading to its fallout. Mashoko atogwa panapa Donoso Nchavisa achiti aiwa vachingobva tisi tiri kupinda, we want to build aiwa our own nation icha attract aiwa each and every one ari kukona yipi zvayo yenyika yose achiuya achizoona mawonders anenge ari muZimbabwe. Tunze mafungiro enyu motikudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pindai comment section medu, tunze mafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.